Jason here with Service Detectives, bringing you another one of our top tip series of videos. In the summer months, a large part of our business turns to cooling maintenance, repair, and replacement. That brings with it many great questions. And our long-standing commitment is to ensure that you are as informed as you can possibly be in order to make the right decisions for you and your family. So with that in mind, over the next few weeks, I'll be answering the most common questions we receive about cooling. Question number one is, why isn't my house as cool as I want it to be? This is one of our most common questions, asked by probably 70% of our customers. And as much as we'd like to be able to keep everyone's house at a perfect 72 degrees all through the summer and winter, there is unfortunately a limit to what your equipment can achieve with the home it's in. What we can do is give you advice to help get the most out of your equipment before giving you options to upgrade. Let's start with insulation. Your home's ability to hold cool is as important as your system's ability to produce cold air. Attic and wall insulation will have the largest impact on keeping that cold air inside. Most of a home's heat is lost through the roof. There are a huge range of options for thickness and the type of material used. If you feel that you're losing too much cool through your attic, have an inspection completed by a dedicated insulation company. Don't forget though, always have a thorough inspection of your attic space done by a qualified electrician before beginning insulation work, as the majority of attic fires are caused by exposed or obsolete wiring against insulation. Now let's talk about those windows. Having double pane insulated windows are essential, but direct sunlight is often the biggest culprit in heating a home during the summer. Be sure to cover windows with thick blackout curtains that can reflect the heat back out. This can reduce a room's temperature by as much as 15 degrees during a very hot day. If you do have traditional single pane windows, a heat shield vinyl or clear plastic cover can provide some of the same protection as the newer double pane. Finally, let's talk about your system's limitations. Your ability to produce and move cool air is limited by your system's capabilities. Many home cooling systems are older, inefficient designs that have begun to wear out through lack of regular maintenance and just aren't able to keep up with the kind of humid heat that Southern Illinois produces every summer. If it's a 115 heat index outside, chances are your system just isn't capable of maintaining 75 degrees inside. As a general rule, it can be said that your system should be able to maintain a temperature 20 degrees lower than the outside air temperature. Now, newer, efficient, modern designs with smart technology, coupled with the other tips mentioned here, can manage temperatures far lower and with far less power consumption. But they should be installed and regularly maintained by a trained heating and cooling service expert to ensure that they get maximum life and efficiency. There you have it, our top cooling question answered. If you'd like an air conditioner tune-up and evaluation with one of our service experts, give our friendly team a call at 618-993-HELP. That's 618-993-4357, or you can book online today at servicedetectives.com. We always include free advice and no obligation estimates for system repairs and upgrades with each one of our tune-ups. We also have the widest array of payment and financing options available here in Southern Illinois. I'll be back next week answering another of the burning AC questions. In the meantime, don't forget to like and share this post with your friends and check out our YouTube channel for our full library of tips, tricks, and advice. In the meantime, remember, we care more because your family is our family too.